Hi everybody, I'm Greg, and today I'm going to show you how you can convert your PowerPoint presentations into videos using Visla. It will only take a few minutes and requires no prior video editing experience. If you don't already have a Visla account, you can create one for free at visla.us. So I've signed into my account and I'm now going to upload the slide deck that I'd like to convert into a video. Once you've opened Visla, click on Create Video. From our AI video agent here, go down and click Upload, and now you can either drag or drop your PowerPoint in the pop-up window, or click Select Files and manually find it in your desktop. Once your PowerPoint is uploaded, click Next. Visla will analyze your slide deck and prepare to format it into a video. The AI will keep your slide deck and the structure of your presentation intact. Once Visla is done analyzing your PowerPoint, you can guide the AI by choosing parameters like pacing, duration, your narration voice, as well as selecting the libraries you'd like Visla to source music and additional footage from. When you're finished, click Generate Video. Visla's PowerPoint to video feature is much faster than building a presentation video from scratch. I can speak from experience on this one. When the video is done generating, we'll get a preview, and you can see what you and the AI came up with. If your presentation video needs some fine-tuning, that's okay. We can go over to Edit and further refine the video in Visla's video editor. Visla's scene-based editor makes it easy to fine-tune your video. You can move scenes around, add overlays, place footage, and so much more. When you're done, export the video, and you can share it just like you would any other video or presentation. Whether you're in education, marketing, or sales, Visla's PowerPoint to video feature can turn that static slide deck into an engaging and dynamic presentation video in just minutes. So go ahead and try out our PowerPoint to video feature today and create a presentation video that inspires action. Visla is free to try and requires no prior video editing experience. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.